Detail. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Kerman Shilla on Friday held a meeting to discuss about preparedness of the state to tackle any natural disaster in the state in view of the ongoing monsoon spell. Talking to reporters, he said lightning will be now included as a local disaster and even animals hit due to local strike will be covered as local disaster. Moreover, the minister also informed the government will now use drone for a vulnerability assessment of floods, landslides and other natural calamities. In addition, the meeting also discussed about arriving at a long-term solution to the problems of frequent landslides at Sonapur Tunnel along the National Highway 6.
So this is most of the time we don't know that whether this lightning strike is included or not for the compensation when it comes to especially lightning strike. So now I would like to share to our friends that this has been declared as a local disaster. So as per the norms provided by the central government, and we follow almost the same, it's the same only. So we pay the compensation for those people who lost their life in lightning strike, and even for animal strike, lightning strike, even that also means covered in this local disaster.
UDP President